Hey everyone, it's Coralie. I'm back. Alright, so today's video, I'm gonna do another makeup tutorial. But this time, I'm gonna do makeup with, my new hairstyle, the bang. So when I have the bang, like you really don't need much. Like, you know how I really like doing my eye, because like you get to do like different colors and whatever. But like when you have the bang, it's better just to like keep it subtle. Like even like your eyelashes, like the most simple eyelash, like it doesn't even matter. You're gonna look good because you got a bang. So I don't even like really do like eyebrows. Like I just draw it a little bit, but like I don't clean it up or anything because you got a bang. Alright, so let's get to the video. Alright, so first I'm going to use my foundation NW45. So this is Studio Fix Fluid. I'm using my Sephora brush. Don't know what it is called. Full coverage foundation. Okay. So I washed my face, prepped my face already. So just doing the makeup now. Alright, a little bit more. And I ain't going nowhere. Got a snow day today. Amen to that. Or any reason to stay home, I would like it. I love it. So I had this wig for like a year. I bought it like December 2019, and this wig been faithful. I got it at Subies. If you're in Miami, you know what that is. Subies. I kind of made the bang because it didn't have a bang before because they have ran out of the bangs. Okay. Very light makeup today. Listen, I ain't going nowhere. It's a snow day. Ain't nobody going nowhere. Beautiful. And that was Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish. Okay. The woman in, where are they? London. They don't do the triangle thing that we Americans do. Okay. But I gotta do some more research on that. Looking very pretty, Normally I put a concealer on my forehead, but I got a bang. You don't really need that. And then the concealer I'm using is the Pro Longwear concealer. Like, this baby is about to run out. I don't like that new one they got out now. That 24-hour thing. Oh my god. It's running out, so. And it's like the best one. Like, it is not the same. It is not the same. It's like they purposely change formula. When things are good, they want to change it for the worst. Like I honestly think that. Alright, today is a good day. Aren't you guys happy we're alive? Like, look at the time we are living. We have a black vice president female. That is amazing. Now that I got my concealer on and blended the best that I could, I kind of look ashy a little bit. Like a little ghost, a little Casper the ghost. Alright, so I'm going to go with my Fenty Nutmeg loose powder. Don't really like Fenty. I bought this to try it out. Came to find out I don't really like Fenty. Alright, I was better off with Shasha Buttercup or Benign. People saying, what's that good one? Huda? I think that's a good one. No, not Huda. Laura Mercier. I have that, but it's not with me right now. It is not Laura Mercier. What is it? Is it called Mercier? I don't know. But you know what I'm talking about. Anastasia. Yeah, I know y'all see the lace. Leave me alone. Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Alright. Let me use this. Like, honestly, you could skip the whole eyebrow thing, but I don't know. Something always told me to do my eyebrows. You never know. What if the wind blows? Alright. That's all I'm doing. I am not gonna go over with the concealer like I normally do. I'm just gonna do that. Ooh, it's thick. She thick. You know, that's the trend now. I've been trying to thicken my eyebrows a little bit. I cut them once in my life. Would I do it again? No, because honestly, I don't need it to be cut. Lucky, right? I'm not gonna put no gel or nothing in there. Contour now. I'm looking for the word. So y'all know which one I like to use, the Huda Toasted from Benefit. I'm gonna use my Sephora Slanted blush brush, right? Then go up. You see that? Do I need to put it over here? No. Because guess what? No one's gonna see that. No one's gonna see it. How are they gonna know? No one's gonna know. No one is going to know, okay? They're gonna know. They're not gonna know. No one's gonna know. You know what's funny? I needed to do a TikTok with that, because like one time I had like I was deep conditioning my hair and I put on my bang wig. No one would know that right underneath I'll be deep conditioning. All right, so that's contoured. Now I'm going to take my blending brush from Sigma. Need to clean that, but yeah. And then I'm gonna go in with this same thing, the bronzer or whatever. I'm gonna go in with the same thing. Wanna know why? Because you don't have to do your eyes because you got a bang. Bangs. Yep. So I just do that, and then I do a little bit underneath. A little smudging. A little brown. And then I'm gonna go in with my blush in the color Desert, which is this orange color from Anastasia. Just go in circles a little bit. You see that? Oh, it's cute. Right? So cute. Very cute orangey color. Going to blend everything, buff. blending, honey. Blend, blend, blend. See, we're almost done with the look. We're almost done. This is my favorite like Christmas palette, by the way. Honestly, you could skip the highlight, but I like highlighting just a little bit. I mean, who doesn't like glitter? Right? Just a little bit. I like doing this because I can't get my eyelashes close enough. So this kind of blocks. My real eyelashes and the falsie close enough. So it kind of like gives the illusion that they're really close together, but they're really not. As a birthday gift, they're pretty extravagant, but I'm gonna try it with the least extra lashes, which are, I believe these. They're pretty long. You don't want it too long. I mean, I normally have my bang lashes, but I left it at my mom's house, so don't have those with me. So we gotta work with what we got, okay? So let's do this. And they're amazing. Like these, I'm very extra. Especially when it comes to lashes. It's just so cute, right? You feel me? Yeah, don't feel me. Like no one feels you, Coralie. One day I will. One day. And these are so cute. Very grateful for these. Got it for my birthday. Blue. The white one, because you know the black one is can get messy. So I honestly don't know how people use the lash glue that isn't like transparent, because I'm like, yo, it's gonna go like everywhere. The white ones are the best one, because when it goes everywhere, that dark color is gonna be all up in your eye, and that's not cute. Everything on. So cute, right? And then, you know, I'm just gonna clear lip gloss it using Fussy from Fenty. Okay, she did a good job with these, okay? Right, so this is the look. It's cute. My makeup look, very simple. You don't need to do extra because you know you gotta bang. I don't know, I feel like bangs they make you look more, I don't know, I feel like it makes you look young, kind of mysterious a little, you know, you low, stay low. So it's really cute. I love, this is like one of my favorite wigs to wear. Low-key my go-to wig right now. Listen, if I have nothing to do with my hair, it's simple. I could just slap this on and you don't gotta leave no hair out. That's the beauty of it. But yeah, thanks for watching my video, guys. And yeah, that's all. Bye. Where the money reside? Where the money reside? It's so cute.